How to install your Nexxt Home smart Wi-Fi camera with built-in solar panel. Make sure you have all the necessary parts at hand. Before starting the installation, fully charge the camera using the USB-C cable. Choose a wall with a clear view and good sunlight exposure. Hold the mounting plate with the arrow pointing upward and mark the holes with a pencil. Drill at the marks and insert the wall anchors. Gently tap them until they sit flush. Align the plate and screw it in using the included screws. Make sure it's level and securely fastened. Now take the camera and align the slots on the base with the tabs on the plate. Then slide it down until it clicks into place. Adjust the angle to cover your desired area. Open the rubber cover on the connection panel to access the microSD slot, USB-C port, or power switch. All set! Your smart Wi-Fi camera with built-in solar panel is now installed. Pair the device in the Nexxt Home app to complete the setup.